Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do another cocktail out of this 1906 cocktail manual. Absolutely beautiful book, meant for the grand houses, really meant for servants of these grand houses and to teach them how to mix drinks for the people that lived in those houses. The printing is beautiful, the information is fantastic, and it is called Louis's Mixed Drinks. Now, thank you to all of the helpful people who, the last time we did a drink out of this book, said, that's a French name, it's Louis, not Louis. I do know for a fact that Louis said his name that way. So I'm going to honor his memory and say it as Louis. And we're going to do the Fernet cocktail. And Fernet is something that I have never used before. I've never tasted it. So this should be interesting. So I am doubling this cocktail to make two. So we're going to start out with 2 ounces of Fernet, 4 ounces of vermouth, and it says specifically Italian vermouth or sweet vermouth. Have I lost count yet? 4. And then Curaçao in dashes. So I need 4 dashes of Curaçao, which is, you know, who knows. Let's try that. And we ice down our mixing glass and give that a stir. Okay, our glasses are iced. And let's see. Oh, spilling. So Julie and I used to hang out at a bar here in Toronto called the Dance Cave, where they shot some of the scenes for Cocktail. And apparently the cocktail flair did not rub off on me at all. I'm spilling everywhere. So this is the Fernet cocktail.
Hey, friends. Okay, not the prettiest cocktail I've ever seen.
Not a pretty cocktail
It kind
at
of
all.
has a prune juicy color to it.
It does.
It has an odd smell.
I was just about to say it might grow on me. And then there's a flavor that came into my mouth right at the end.
Okay, so what's the Fernet down? Like what does that taste like?
Fernet on its own. Are you a fan
Oh,
of
it's a
Fernet?
bitters. There you go. That it certainly is. Perhaps you added too much. Whoops, I'm spilling too.
Is there mint? Are you getting mint in there too?
Yeah, that does have a, it's definitely bitter, but it does have like a pepperminty, minty,
Yeah.
I can't quite put my finger on it.
Now, so this is called the Fernet cocktail. And this is from 1906. You start to get a little bit later, like 1917, 1920, 1930. There's a whole bunch of different variations on cocktails called Fernet. Some of them have gin. Some of them are called the King Cole cocktail, which is essentially this adding gin.
Okay.
Some of them have rye or just regular whiskey, or they call for whiskey or rye whiskey. And so there's a bunch of variations on this cocktail. And I think this would definitely benefit from a variation.
Yes, perhaps a little less
Less Fernet.
Fernet?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I would drop the Fernet and up the Curaçao, but then I might as well put in gin to bring another flavor and then drop the Fernet even farther.
Well, that could be in a different recipe.
Yeah,
So there you
completely.
go. And definitely not for me.
No, it's a no from us. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.